Welcome to WCrypto.
Hello, my friends. Welcome back to WCrypto. After I published yesterday's video, Bitcoin was testing the yellow horizontal level at 103,400. I stepped away from the keyboard, but left high-risk conditional market orders at 104,000, 300 and 105,000 to catch a breakout if the market turned bullish again. That scenario played out. This is not financial advice, but so far this setup worked. Price action bounced from 104,300 and is now using that level as support. This suggests the dip may have been a fake-out. Looking at the heat map, we see upside targets forming around 106,200, 107,400, and 109,200. These areas could be used to liquidate late short positions. On the downside, 102,000, 900, and 102,000 are flashing, but recent strength suggests support at 103,400 may hold and act as a base. There's a common narrative on social media claiming this is a double top like in 2021, pointing to weekly RSI divergence as proof, but the data says otherwise. If you review Bitcoin's history, 4 out of 5 weekly RSI divergences led to more upside, not downside. Only the 2021 divergence matched a top. In other cases, Bitcoin rallied significantly afterward. The 2021 double top had real triggers: China's mining ban and FTX selling. These were one-time events that won't repeat in the same form. Yes, black swans can happen, but they are unpredictable. Trying to front-run them leads to missing gains. If you sit out a bull run in fear, it's your loss. One indicator like the weekly RSI is not enough to make an exit decision. Let's revisit one of the bull market top indicators I showed you before, the NBRBZ score. This metric compares the market value of Bitcoin to its realized value and is used to spot extreme tops and bottoms. When it's high, investors are deep in profit and tend to sell. When it's low, people are underwater and smart money buys. Historically, this score hit extreme levels before major tops. In 2013, it reached 9.4. In 2017, it hit 10. In 2021, it was above 7. Today, it's sitting around 2. That's not even close to the danger zone. It shows we are far from overbought and the market still has room to run. I will continue updating you daily. Join the free Discord for real-time trading thoughts. Click the like button if you got value from this video. Subscribe and turn on the notification bell to stay updated. And see you in the next one.